Yeah, this is going bad.
Yep. Ow. Ow. Yep. Oh yeah. Ow. Oh. Yep. Oh yeah. So when I first did this and built this body mount cross member and that cross member slash body mount and everything else I was doing, my thought was that I could run this piece down to there and then just cover this with sheet metal to be fine. Well, the problem is it doesn't jive. The angles don't work. It's not happy. I think it's time for a redesign of this mess. So I might run a piece from here to there, and then from here to there, and have the floor be all flat through there. And then maybe I'll bring a piece up to here at the right height, then up to here, and then across and down. That's how we're gonna do it, yep. And that's how I figure plans out. I just let the car talk to me, tell me what it wants. And it rejected this idea wholeheartedly, so we'll start over. No big thing. I got nothing but time. I actually hit it. We're less than a 1/16 of an inch off. Good enough for me. So I still gotta at least come out the outside of the spring perch here somehow. I didn't think about that part. I'm sure it'll be fine. The question is, do I go off the top of this or off the side of this? Does it matter? I don't know. On top is what I decided. Yeah, this ain't gonna work either, because I don't think my seat will clear that. I think that's gonna run right into where my seat is. So I may have to like actually put some thinking into this. I may have built myself into a bit of a pickle here. Damn it! Seats are always fun. They always are balanced really well and never get hooked on anything. Alright. Oh, I might be okay. I wonder if a guy shouldn't move this to the outside. Gives us a little more room. It puts everything back here. I mean, the seat can only lay back so far. Let's lay that back. That's back all the way. That's as far back as this seat can ever go. And it's only this corner that's gonna give me the grief. It's gonna do the same thing on that side, which is gonna be super fun. I can't wait. At least I got this pocket here now so the seat clears, because that was a bit of an issue with the other setup. Yep. I think if I move that to the outside, I'm going to have to put another one here, I see, because otherwise, how am I going to block this off? I'm going to have something here to put metal here to cover that up. I think this is in a good spot. It just needs to be on the back side of the frame, so it gives me a little more room there, because there's still going to be a bar that goes across here. So if I leave this here, we're gonna have interference there. In all my experience, I can see that. That ain't gonna work. But if it was back here, it would. I might not be as screwed as I thought I was. We can make this work. Yep, we're good. So I got a lot of this on this side. Planning, strategy, confusion. But I got a lot of it whipped out. So this side's basically done, I think, for the second time. I can bring this seat all the way back. I can lay the seat all the way back. And it doesn't touch anything, so that's perfect. Essentially what I gotta do is, and a lot of, it's nothing to it. Should be easy. Am I running out of tubing here. That would be a affirmative. Yep, I did order some today, so I'm gonna pick that up in a couple days. So that's gonna pump the brakes a little bit, but whatever, it is what it is. I will work with what I got to get what I can done in the interim. Would I suggest doing this the way I did this? That's probably gonna be a no. No, I don't think I would. I don't know what an easier way would be. Maybe just if you could bend sheet metal good and make it look nice. It would, you know, just make, I don't know. Custom build chassis. I don't know what the other options would be. I didn't want the body sky high, so this is what we ended up with. Sucked, but now we got this side figured out. We can get that side whipped out. It'd be no problem. It'll be easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
I actually planned ahead, and I cut 2 of them because I don't know why, because that was stupid, because I don't need 2 of them. God, idiot. I don't know. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna make this work. It's all part of the plan. I'm not even sure how far I'm gonna get with this whole deal, because I am like almost out of gas. I'm like right there. But we're gonna burn it till she's gone. Ow, hot. Beautiful. I'm sure it's level. I remember to check that. Nope, I sure didn't. I mean, 0.5, that's not terrible, right? Oh, weight savings. We don't need that. That's fine. How do we make it look similar? Suppose we figure out how high off of here, maybe? Yeah. There's a lot of guessing going on here, so I don't know how to do this. That'll work! That'll work! You would have thought I would have brought that back, but no. I don't think that far ahead. I like to make 18 trips back and forth. That's what I like to do. That's how I get my steps in for the day. Look at that precision cut. I mean, the hammer will make it fit, but it's precision. I don't know how I screw this up all the time. I have one plan in my head and it doesn't work that way. I screw it up all the time. Because this time I was going to bring it through the front here. And now I'm actually further back than I was over there. It's fine. Doesn't matter. I'll make it work. I'm gonna stay the course and we're gonna keep going though. Dumb. I don't know how I did that. But I really can't do a whole lot more on this side until I get some more tubing. And I can't get any more of that until Friday. Darn it! This has been a real pain. I don't suggest this. I'm really regretting my decision of just putting a angle piece in here at this point.
The next day.
I got more metal. I got my welding gas refilled. I ended up taking all this out and redoing it all again because I wasn't happy with the fact that this was all in different spots than that, and so now it looks more symmetrical. I don't know why I need symmetry in things. It's just what I need. This has not been a favorite part of my project. This has been kind of a nightmare for me, and I haven't been real motivated to get out here and work on it, and I've had to force myself to do it. But once I get through it, I'll be glad, because then I can start doing more creative things. But this has not been fun if you haven't picked up on that vibe. My plan was just to connect this side to that side with one bar in the back and sheet metal that. That is a large area where I expect people to stand and stomp and jump around and kids to do what kids do. It's gonna need like support and stuff in there, so I don't know if I put like a cross brace in there or a single strut XT brace. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It wasn't part of my plan. Nope, sure wasn't. It is now though, isn't it? Then I gotta weld all this up, and then I can do the back bar there, and then figure out my cross pieces, which apparently I gotta do now. And then I think that'll be it until I start covering it in some sheet metal or license plates or signs or street signs or whatever I come up with. You would really think I would learn my lesson about making sure I put my tacks in the spot where they're not in the way. Right dead on the nuggets. Why are you twisting? Don't twist. Bio tapo. So now there, once this is all sheeted, there'll be a step here. You know, somewhere you can put your boot. Step in. You know, you've got to step on whatever. I don't care. The seat will be up here, but figured it'd be nice to have a step here. Made sense to me. I got some welding to do. I better get after it. This is, yep, ow. Oh boy. Ah, yeah, okay. Oh, that was easy. Super flexible and limber I am. You know, oops. I was almost an Olympic gymnast. Until that shark accident. Really should have brought a needle nose pliers with me because I'm doing that again. But they're way over there. That's perfect. The ones on the other side are way over there. I can't reach either of them, so let's just pretend it's not there. See how well that works out for me. It didn't work out. It made it worse. Shocker, they're not even there. I don't even know where they are. But I found these guys, so they'll do the job. Is that everything? Did I get it all? I did some reading on some tips for some overhead stuff. I don't know if it's gonna help, but I'm gonna try because I'm terrible at it.
That didn't work at all. I mean, it wasn't a complete disaster, so I'll take it. Can't fit my nozzle in there. I almost just gave myself a neck thing. Something is seriously jacked there. We're gonna pretend we didn't see it and hide it. The biggest problem is I made sure all that side was square. I didn't on this side. Right on the button. Let go. Probably turn that back down. That's way too hot now. Really not sure how I screwed that up, but it is what it is. It's gonna bug me. And I got a broken cutoff wheel. Damn it! It was my last one too. My last one. I think that about wraps it up for this one. I got my flooring all framed up back here. I'm gonna wait and figure out how I'm gonna frame this center section out when I figure out what I wanna put here. If I'm gonna put a sign, sheet metal, license plates, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let my material that I use dictate how I frame that section out, which is what I'll do next time. If you decide to come back and see me struggle. If you wouldn't be so kind, hit that like button, subscribe. Check out a couple of my other videos. Leave a comment. The usual jazz. But thanks for watching. Till next time. See ya.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up. It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.